Hi, my name's Peter from True North Marine. I spent my career in the maritime industry. The last 20 I was a trainer and assessor. I'm retired now, so I spend my time as a rescue boat captain and I make short training videos. I'm also an invigilator with the Office of Maritime Communications, so I conduct exams for people who need their marine radio license. Hi, Peter here from True North Marine. Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic on our VHF radio is going to be the DW button. Now, the DW simply stands for dual watch. So what does it do? Dual watch mode is a mode that lets you monitor two channels at the same time. Now usually this will be channel 16, so it has to be that's the emergency and calling channel, but then you can select another channel that of your choice, like a worky channel or a chat channel, and you can monitor both channels at the same time. So this is how you do it, and it's very straightforward. Turn your radio on, it should default to channel 16. Move the channel selector button up. Let's say we're going to channel 7.1. Then we hit the DW button and you'll see the radio flash between those two channels, and that's dual watch. So if someone transmits on either of those channels, be it channel 16 or channel 7.1, then you'll hear that coming through. If you are listening on 7.1 though, and you get a transmission or you hear a transmission on 7.1, and then somebody does transmit on 16 will take priority because that's the distress channel. So often it can interfere with your communications on that dual watch channel that you're actually listening to. But the whole purpose of dual watch is so that you could stay in touch with a group of vessels, but at the same time monitor channel 16 for distress calls or any important broadcasts from authorities. So the purpose of dual watch is simply allowing you to stay in contact with a group of vessels, for example, that you might be engaged with in a fishing group and talking, but also keeping a listening watch out on channel 16 for any distress calls or other important broadcasts that might come in through that channel. You may even find that some radios have a tri-watch and the letters TW, which actually allows you to monitor three channels, channel 16, channel 9, which is a supplementary backup channel, emergency channel, and another channel of your choice. So there you have it, the DW button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.